I am eating oxtail with beans, crazy jerk, haggard, and coconut curry shrimp. In Jamaica, this is called a cookout. Yeah man, let's get right into the food.
Today we have curry chicken back. We have corn pork and ackee, straight corn pork, curry goat, oxtail, seafood medley, curry shrimp, ackee and saltfish. We have curry conch. All of the above. We have everything. So just come in. Again, jerk chicken.
Whoa.
Man, may I tell you so much food.
This is the real Jamaican cookout.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah man, at the Jamaican cookouts you get the exclusive stuff where you don't normally see on the menu. Like during the week you get these on this specific day. It's just crazy. So
Pork chops.
pork chops. Crazy amount of meat, mountain pile of meat out there. And food. That's a vibe. Yeah man. A great Dapper corn pork. Yeah. So this you have straight corn pork today to ackee and corn pork.
Straight corn pork and ackee and corn pork. Wow. Desi and make sure everything right today. Yeah, all is on Desi today, you know. We don't have assistant today.
So you know what good is in the south with fish, pork, all kind of thing, chicken, oxtail, goat.
Yeah,
bag of food there today, Dapper.
Yeah, man, whole shrimp.
Oh, yeah. One jump load of goodness.
See the ackee there. I work the show.
Wow, the ackee this?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I work on the show.
Ackee that go on bowl already?
Yeah.
See, I want that fruit that go on there. Both of them in a pressure cooker. Yeah. Wow.
Yes, my lord. Go on prep up, you know?
Yes, I am. Wow.
We're prepping to the ackee and saltfish at the moment.
What a goodness there, man.
Yeah, boy.
I get that look good.
Yeah, get nice and soft. Yeah. I give it about another 15 minutes and we cook.
Everything well prepped and seasoned.
Yeah.
Touch the fire to get them dose. Yes.
Ready to move.
Yeah man, normally at cookouts, everything normally prep before, days before, and then at the cookout, you know, just straight fire and cooking, no season up, no going, it's just crazy. Normally the only thing we get seasoned or prepped same time is mainly the fish or seafood. I should say crazy vibe, but every other stuff and a cookout normally get prepped before. So you know, so when them forward, I just strictly fire. Natural vibes, yeah man. Some goodies, this is for the corn pork.
No, ackee.
This is for the ackee. Man, I get peel like that. Early morning breakfast vibes. It's pretty early in the morning. It's like just 6 a.m. in the morning. I tell you, the place smells so good. The amount of pot up on the fire already, and it's so early. Natural vibes here in Port Antonio.
Nice color, man. The same time this color come,
And it start pop.
Then it start pop and you have a for a run.
Oh.
Remember me tell you. Hey. Yeah man, this Ricky Rody love to eat. Corn pork. Ackee Ricky Rody. This your shit here boy. Right here man. Right here, right here.
Oh, it's in there.
Yes. I'm about to go this one now.
Oh, that's pretty now. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes, man. Get in there, man. Crazy vibes here under the tent, man. The rain a fall. It's just Father God blessings, but the place smells so good. Unload of food there. Look for that can poke, man.
Store ackee too much. So
Kind of want the ackee, bro. Oh, yes. Natural, yeah. So the ackee and saltfish finish. Straight corn pork finish. Oh, that's a breakfast settings in the morning. Yeah, man. Natural, authentic vibes with some banana, boiled banana, corn pork. Oh, yes, man.
Yeah. Not too much stirring, you know?
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah,
One of the people them eat them ackee.
yes, man. No spoon, you know.
Natural. Oh, yeah, man. And for those who don't know, canned pork is basically salt pork. Give it that salty flavor like you're eating pigtail. That salty flavor, but not the same texture. Crazy vibe. Salt pork with ackee. Even by itself, cook up. Natural, authentic vibes, man. Crazy vibes. And some dumpling I go boil up. It's the early morning vibes now. Just 7 o'clock. Early morning. It's the breakfast settings is kicking up, you know. The canned pork and the ackee and saltfish and it's just and the curry chicken back with some boiled banana. Crazy breakfast settings. But remember me tell you, food non-stop. Just look on this. OXTAIL and a bag of things over there right throughout the day. Pure cooking. Crazy vibes, man. Yeah, man. Jamaican cookout. Ready?
Yeah,
Ready?
man, good.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yes.
What you call it French time. Some
French
people
time.
call it beef time, yeah.
Wow. Quite strong, you know, man.
Yes,
Exactly.
good, you know.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho.
Whoa. Conch well boiled already. Hold on. What is boiling now? Whoa. French time garlic. Whoa. Oh, yes. Crazy vibe. Yo, that tastes so good. This is a conch that boil out. You know, conch soup over there. Crazy vibes. Coated soup over there. Curry conch over there. It's just crazy. A lot to choose from on this menu. Yeah, man.
Yeah, this. It's ready to go up on the grill.
Ready.
Don't worry yourself, me just a debone it. You can shake off the bone them, but me like when they come out and you can look on the bone them or them nice and healthy. Yeah. See?
Yeah.
Tap up the fire for me. For the soup. Nice. Which one?
We promote healthiness,
Yeah.
not wealthiness. In that word, in salt, and
Yeah,
then
man.
name that. Season of salt already.
I
Natural.
Let's real.
Hear that?
Conch soup.
Yeah.
Nice. Kickstart the morning with some banana, some boiled banana, some curry chicken back and some ackee and canned pork. If you never tried Dapораdo's ackee and canned pork, you have to come and come try this. He's out here on Thursdays, Fridays and Saturdays. Canned pork vibes with ackee and also straight canned pork. So you know where I kickstart the morning. Crazy vibe with some boiled banana, some ackee and canned pork. and some curry chicken back. But this is a cookout, so a lot more is on the menu. Crazy stuff on the menu today. We see some haggard come out of the pot. You know that boil with a lot of seasons, but right down seasoned to the bone, and then that I go up on the grill. Crazy vibes and seafood and meat right through the day. Oxtail, everything. So we're gonna kickstart the morning with some canned pork and some ackee. Yeah man, this is the vibe here, Port Antonio. Can't go wrong with some ackee and canned pork right here at Daporado, Boundbrook. Right here in Boundbrook, you can't go wrong. Just stop at Daporado. If you're passing here on the weekend or on Thursdays, I will get some good canned pork and ackee. Whether saltfish with ackee or the canned pork and ackee, you can't go wrong. Crazy mixture. With some curry chicken back, not chicken back. Yeah man, kickstart the morning, right? Breakfast settings. Yeah man. Yo, that saltiness of the pork. Yeah man. Kickstart the morning with a crazy vibe. Now it's time to go into the big food session. Make you see what I'm going back in the kitchen.
That's the corridor. Yes.
Yeah man.
Until later venture.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
See?
Cooking start now. Yeah man. Lot of goodies.
Sebi!
Him not.
Yeah man.
Come
soup. Goat soup over there, so oxtail right here. Yeah, curry goat right there, so.
Cake.
Great. Conch soup is coming on so nice. Hold on, at least me taste the conch out.
Oh, okay.
Same so.
Save so. Wow.
Victory. Guess what? No. Alright, they think. Let me start. I need fire. Belly up.
Moonshine snapper.
Moonshine snapper?
Yeah. Huh? Over there, so yeah.
Oh. Nash. natural river shrimp.
Yeah, man.
Janga style.
Yeah.
Oh, them are going at it. Them are going at it. In
Kong soup.
Kong
Yeah.
soup.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you most graciously.
I know. It smells good. Cheese. Cheese, man. Yes, man.
Yeah, seafood, man.
Yeah.
Red up.
This is
Geared up.
smelling so good.
Alright. Start get ready already.
Yeah, man.
Oxtail. The people them.
Pretty, man.
Yeah, man.
Cheese out.
Yes. Run away. We ain't no afraid of nobody. Come on.
Oh, just get a cup with some goodness in it. You know, this is the conch soup with pinceita bubble over there, so with all of them goodness, the crazy vibes. And the last thing we say add to this is some janga, some river janga, crazy vibes. So river janga with mixed with some conch, crazy vibes. And you can see some stuff going, some curry goat on the menu. The morning is getting crazy with some peas right there, some fish is frying up. The haggard over there, so on the grill is just crazy. Jerk chicken I got there. Oxtail, natural, authentic vibes, and we are going to take some sip out of this. This smells so good. Crazy vibes early in the morning, kickstart the morning, you know what? Some corn pork and ackee with some banana and some curry chicken. Crazy breakfast settings, but food never stop. We're still there. This place smelling so good for them fish. And we are going to dip into this soup right now. Yeah, man. Yeah. I actually taste the conch. The port actually going at the soup. Crazy vibes. Oh, this tastes so good. It's full of flavor. well seasoned down. And also some janga then at this Crazy Vibes conch and janga mix. Oh yeah. Start the morning right. Yeah man. Yeah man, this is the vibe here at the cookout. At the cookout, you normally in Jamaica at a cookout, you know you normally have more stuff on the menu than normal. Crazy vibes. Yo, this conch tastes so good. We actually taste this conch before. And now the shrimp them add to this. Whoa. Oh my god. This is the vibe here. Which one? Which one? Alright. Yo, this pack with a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor. If you are someone who like trying a lot of food, cookouts are the craziest stuff in Jamaica. Tons and tons of food to choose from. Just pass through. Crazy vibe. Check out Daporado spot. Same place here. Yeah man. Yeah man. This is a vibe. The conch itself tastes so good. Wow. Crazy vibes here in Portland, man. Yeah, man. Boundbrook.
Second time now.
Yeah, man. That soup was a vibe. Crazy vibe under the tent. Yo, yes. And that curry goat, the fish them smell so good. That curry goat and the pot of bubble up. Remember, OXTAIL is going to be there. Stew pork. Crazy stuff on the menu. A lot to eat, a lot to choose from. Yeah, man.
Around me and coming out that.
Yeah, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Goat soup coming out nice soup. Just had some of that conch soup with the janga them. Crazy taste.
Wicked, but
Wicked man.
yeah. The kick too. No water there.
No. 11:18.
How you think the bomb them today?
It like that. Step on the way, you know. Finish up.
Yeah, but not for right.
Yeah, our little, the bigger one, them smaller.
Where is it? Eh? Who? Yeah.
Yo, I want king. I want to small soup.
Nice. Oxtail coming on nice. The rice, the white rice and piece of the there. Also, we can see that jerk chicken on the grill. Crazy vibes. Yeah, man. Bummy. Steam bummy.
You hear me? Yeah? Yes, I'm here. Talk. No, you can't get breakfast and lunch. You can buy breakfast or you can buy lunch. See? Here we go. You can have breakfast and you can have lunch. Alright, we have curry goat ready. But the rice not quite ready, but you can get it with dumpling, yam and banana.
Ooh, rice.
Rice or roll.
White rice. It's like its own land one that.
Yeah, don't even do that now.
Wow.
Tight.
Oxtail with beans right here, rice right here. Jerk chicken over here. That oxtail with the beans, with the butter beans, just give it so much flavor and thickness. Adds to that. Remember me tell you, crazy. White rice beside it looking so good, and this jerk chicken. Oh.
No, I've got something for the baby in a minute. I got some chicken for her. It's coming out, buddy. Yeah, just come. No. Yeah, put the pan yeah?
Turn them all up, me just turn them.
Yeah.
Me just turn the whole of them.
Golden jerk chicken.
Lock him down on.
Give me. Yeah, four branch, sir.
Yes, man. Chicken I finish up on more at. Wow.
Alright. Yeah. See that?
That's it?
Yeah.
Beautiful, typical Jamaican kitchen. Jerk chicken I finish up more at the same time because you know you can't run out of jerk chicken. Yes.
You don't try one enough.
Wow. Steam on your milk.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
that. That don't make a red.
Ready chicken.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this chicken so good, man. Not ready. Oh my god. No farmer redness.
Yeah.
This looks so good.
$2,000. $2,000.
It's okay. My girl came to street one, I'm perfect. That. No, I'm fine. Try them enough to deliver. We'll fry some bam in the meantime because she didn't know which part more they were. You have any? You can't put the food in and go up the road right now, yeah? Money! Who was that boy? Bunny, they say. Bunny, upstairs at Dr. You can't carry me and run kind of up at Dr. Kirkland. Office. Which at Dr. Kirkland with the ultrasound, which is that pizza place. Upstairs channel with the pizza. Yes. And then the over KFC Plaza at the white man dentist. You know, take one, run to taxi and go on or you can come up here people there. Alright, you put them like this. You know, give a taxi for the go.
When you say who know?
The two first who were the pan top.
I pay
Kirkland white.
that are up. The two wins man, one go on.
Yeah, for
the two first.
Two, yeah.
You get the upstairs all over the upstairs.
Right,
Right,
that's a Kirkland.
Yeah.
Then over the modern dentistry, over KFC Plaza upstairs.
Yeah.
Over top. And then modern dentistry.
Coconut, but we didn't have it, so.
Tell me.
No one when you hear that is a must.
It will all
Yeah,
fill
that-
up, right?
They're working.
If you're not I'm a car. You know something, you know that.
I don't know a part to know that. I don't remember Miss Kirkland here. I don't remember Miss Kirkland. You never know what you well, let's you have the people, ma.
Something like the new world is because everyone.
Listen, boss. Listen, when teachers call me. You know what word anyway? Yeah.
Where you going?
Mom. Play with my ball.
So, who's someone that you know? You heard me? Oh,
Not my show.
I'm going to go to bed tonight and I sleep tonight.
It's here.
Even this.
Falling off the bone.
Yeah man, I get vibes right here on the spot. Jerk again, you know this boil down in the seasoning and then cup on the grill, go spend a 5 minutes and come off. Pure goodness with that little crispiness on the edge. Crazy. Yeah man. Oh, yes man. Wow, that plate look good. Crazy vibes. This is a cookout in Jamaica, you know, a variety of stuff to choose from. Crazy stuff on the menu. We see pork over there about to put on some stew pork. Jerk chicken is there. Oxtail, as you can see, shrimp. Great Daporado, big up. Crazy Daporado spot here in Portland. For you guys, for any of you guys who don't know Daporado, pull up here. I go and pin the link. Pull up here in Port Antonio, in Boundbrook, and we will find him spot. Crazy food cook here. Some ackee and saltfish, some from Thursdays to Saturdays come here to get some canned pork. Come try the canned pork with ackee right here in Boundbrook Port Antonio. But today, boss have a cookout and we're there. I come try some real deal. So we are gonna dip into this food right now. Crazy stuff on the menu today. We see a lot of fish, soup, conch soup with shrimp, goat head soup, goat Manish water. Crazy vibe. We are gonna dip into this. We can't wait. Hungry. Dip into this rice. Kicks out with some white rice, some of that curry gravy mix up. You know, this coconut curry shrimp. Vibrant, the taste of fire, the curry. Vibrant, not too spicy. No, you can't go wrong. When it comes to Jamaican food, you just can't go wrong. Wow. The last time we came, we had some of the jerk haggard. I would say you have to come back to some of this and remember me tell you, with some of Daporado sauce. These are the haggard with the spicy sauce. Oh my god. For those who never had jerk haggard, it's basically just like jerk pork, but this is more upper. This is the head. This is the head, so you know you get more. You get more of that fatty, less leany, but you get your skin with it, and yo, it's come like the head pack more flavor. It's like the head is immune to every seasoning will attack it. So it just have that flavor. It actually tastes different, the texture is different, and it's like you get more seasoning, just the seasoning soaking at the head more than any part of the egg. Some nice potato salad here. You cannot go wrong with street food. No leave the taste of shrimp. Just the gravy alone kicking. Let's get some of this shrimp.
You're listening to DJ Sirius. Mixing. Canada's heavy hitters.
Music in the background. We are gonna get copyright, so we have to go cut it out. OXTAIL and bean on the street side in Port Antonio. Crazy texture. The OXTAIL tastes so good. Yo, the seasoning, even the gravy, you actually can drink the gravy well. Pepper down, that's seasoned the right way.
Oh, I don't see you to me, caught up inside of a dream all my life.
The food here is great. Come check out Daporado. This is his cookout, but come check him out. And from Thursdays to Fridays, crazy vibes here in Boundbrook. I'll pin the link so who don't know the spot can actually click the link and come right here. Come try some canned pork and ackee with other crazy stuff on the minute. I think we're gonna do this stuff right now. Crazy. Yeah, man, that food was amazing. Crazy. We'll box on that in less than no time. And right now we have some goat soup. We tried it with the conch soup mixed with the river janga. That was a vibe. And now we're there with the goat soup. Manish water. This not thick, it's just runny but full of flavor. Wow. Look on that, man, we can see all goat, you can see the goat ears tonight. Wow, natural vibes, man. Come down to the nitty-gritty now. This is the vibe. Bag of goat, bag of tripe, and beatings. Yes, man. Manish water.